makes a sup of tea, lights the kitchen stove, then he calls me. His days are often empty, he's nothing much to do, so he sits and tells me stories of the travelling life he knew. In the evening they would meet lonely country lanes, feel the way you'd hear the calling bird, and he'd pass the time away. We'd talk about the day, standing round the campfire in the dark, standing round the campfire in the dark. Me mother likes the house, hot waters and the rooms. It's warm in the winter and she's handy with the broom. Sometimes she makes cold cannon, more often griddle bread. The hunger deep inside of her, travelling life that's dead. In the evening she would lift the black pot from the coal. Bit you in, she always would remark, there'd be vessels left to clean, while children can be seen playing round the campfire in the dark, playing round the campfire in the dark. We go down to the pool hall to chat up the town bores. Sometimes at the disco we can't get past the doors. We're still thinkers to them when it's throwing at our ears. We're still the awful strangers after all these years. I think about my own life, the way that it would be. An escort van, a bit of Dale and a wife and a family. Now Thursday I collects it all, Friday's pigeon toss. And on the side I think about the travellers where they've lost. I wish that I would rise, push the sleep out of their eyes, listen to the sweet song of the lark. And I wish that I could be the campfire company, the sound of horses moving in the dark, the sound of horses